Lady Justice Abodo achamize ngutiba polisi bona ngo nibejumbira ombikorwa ebyobushomankuzi bitahigira abantu okugumana bagamba abo abariko bashaba ebituga okugira ngo omuzogu guhwereho kimwe.
The institutions that fight crime, like the office of the DPP, the police, and other agencies, other state agencies who fight crime. We cannot do it alone. We need the community. So that's why I encourage them that such cases, because not all police actually ask for money to release someone on police board. So when they do, you report so that we get out those elements.
Ogu agarukire yagira ngo ofisi ye eriyo nekora ahaco kongera ahambare ogwabahabe ba government okwetorora ihanga ryona okugira ngo babase kwengera okutungura omutindo gwo buhereza bwabo.
That is why I have been asking that I need more prosecutors, because to have prosecutors, one prosecutor serving 4 judicial officers, that's what happens, because they don't have time to read. Then you have prosecutors coming over the weekend to read files. By the time Monday comes, they're already stressed. By the time members of the public come following their cases, their tempers are already at a certain level and they don't even want to hear. And before we know it, justice is not served.
Grace Nabagarantege ori kurira ofisi eyabahabe ba government ahabwe cyange cya Kabale ayorekere okusima ahabantu abizire kwetaba ombarazeji etebekanisibo mu rwo kubanza kandi niko kusima ofisi ya DPP ahabo kutora na Kabale ngo gubarwe bagwaba omwanya go kubanza.
My Lord, I have a great team in Kigezi region. It's a team of competent people who are very willing to work and serve the people of Kigezi.
Open days or barazas like these provide opportunities for the public to know the work of the DPP, but also to interact with the staff, as well as serve as an accountability platform that promotes transparency, which is critical in the provision of justice services.
Omudumizi wa polisi ahabo cyange cya Kigezi SSP Saiga Ibrahim agizire ngo hariho ebizibu bingi ebari kubugana omucanga kandi ebi abigambire omumisho g'abantu.
My Lord, I know you are aware that your staff in Kabale are a bit thin. They are understaffed. So the workload that comes from Rwanda and Ruchiga is also piled here. We also have issues of irregular court sittings.
If police bond is free, it is free. If we pay money, they give us receipts. So that when we are dreaming, they give us back our money.
Barazeji ebire einomutwe oguri kugira ngo justice for all, bringing prosecution services closer to people kandi ogugubire guri omurundi gwo kubanza aba ofisi eyabahababi aba government okurugayo bakabasa kuganiraho n'abantu babutosha.